I think we can change the path of learning in a big way, and we should do it, and it's now. When this generation of kids discover that they can do things they were not expecting, they become highly interested in learning more. It is the spiral of learning that you create.
The field of engineering is all about innovation, finding solutions to problems. And if you look at the history of inventions in the world, they were all motivated by experiences that the inventor has had. We all have different experiences. Each one of us, by virtue of the background and the upbringing and the communities where we live, we are different.
I think about some kid is going to say, wow, someone believed in me. We're going to have diverse teams, kids from all around the world, but also kids that are going to be from Compton, from South Central, from these places that have historically maybe never been part of space and aviation. And now these kids will know that they can wear the blue flight suit and ride the rocket just like I did.
My mom didn't graduate high school and my dad didn't graduate middle school, so I wasn't able to get that experience of having them show me or tell me about the different types of careers.
My own classes, when I look around me and I see 5 girls and 30 boys, I see myself as a role model for little girls to understand that they can also become rocket scientists.
It's very important that women and minorities play a very, very significant role in this, because as colleges and universities grow over the future, the majority of students who are going to be in those colleges and universities are going to be women and minorities.
The exciting thing about Base 11 and what we're doing with this project is it's focused on under-resourced areas, but just as high talented.
And that diversity, when it comes together, leads to bigger innovations, more successful initiatives, and makes it better for everyone. So it's a no-brainer.
The Base 11 Space Challenge is one of the most incredibly creative, innovative things that I've ever seen. Putting the power in the hands of students to have them be able to win prize money for developing a liquid propelled rocket to go past the von Karman line, which means you're in space. Once we put that power into the students' hands, they realize what access they have to not just changing the world, but changing the universe. And experiential learning is something that I did as a child when I blew my mother's living room up with a chemistry set that was age-appropriate, non-OSHA certified. But now we have mentors from corporations, from government, working together with Base 11 to ensure that our kids are going to fly safely.
And that's where it's so important to have these partnerships between academia and government and the industry base working together to ensure the pipeline is there of skilled, qualified workers.
The industry, the employers realize this, and that translates to a mandate for us to be able to produce a diverse workforce that will lead to innovations that will propel the nation to the next height.
We are going to open the possibility for companies to hire as a great value, because we're going to empower them to solve problems that before were done with highly specialized people. You reveal talents, you create joy for them to do things. It becomes inclusive. They learn how to work together. They learn how to help each other. Together is powerful.